YouTube, what is up? So today I have got the official PlayStation Backbone game controller for my iPhone. And, well... Now, quick shout out to my son, Little Ace, for getting this for my birthday. He thought that, maybe, since I'm always playing like Call of Duty on my iPad, that, that I would enjoy, a game adapter for my phone. Not only can I play Call of Duty Mobile on it, but I can also remote play off of my PlayStation 5, which is really, really cool. Out of the box, you get the controller and the there's a little adapter that comes with it. This for the iPhone 13 Pros, because the camera lenses are a little bit bigger than the predecessors, and it looks like that the 14s are going to be bigger, but I was on their website, and I guess when they get the schematics together for the 14s, because on the website you can get either, if you want to 3D print it yourself, you can get the schematics to 3D print it, or I believe they will send you an adapter for free. Proof of purchase, prices may vary, certain countries, who knows. It's really cool. It's got all the PlayStation type buttons. The only real difference thing is it's got more of an Xbox thumb controllers, and or even the Nintendo Switch, I think. They're off-centered, but you got your direction pad down here, you got your buttons up here, all the happiness. Now it's really simple to install. It you just put it in on the camera end on the left side, and then you just pull it open, and you just pop it into snaps into the lightning port, and you're good to go. It doesn't come out. I wouldn't be like thrashing it around or anything like that, or trying to use it like a boomerang. Boomerang. I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and get her going and bring up some my favorite, the old Call of Duty Mobile. Probably should turn down the volume. I don't know if they do copyright infringements on their music or such. I don't think so, because you got what is that, Twitch? Yeah, you got Twitch streaming, YouTube gaming streaming, all that happiness. So, no, I'm not buying anything. I said I'm not buying anything. It feels good. It's like having, an extended controller compared to like the PS5 controller or PS4, or, I don't know, maybe this is closer to an Xbox controller. Those are pretty big. I don't think they're that big. One of the situations that I've run into is like, this is a PlayStation exclusive controller, right, for my iPhone, but it shows Xbox buttons here, like A's and B's and such. It's all the same, but oh yeah, it's all it's the same type of button layout. It's just odd that it doesn't have the X's and the squares and all that. But it controls well. The sticks, I'm used to a PlayStation controller, so the sticks aren't as smooth as a PlayStation controller, but it does work out. It does work out pretty well. I'm starting to wonder if there's anybody here. Anybody else to shoot at? Did I just shoot the one guy and that's it? That's all we got? Oh, well, he got me. That's what I get for being cocky. It's got a pass-through charge where you can plug it in and it'll charge as you're gaming. Let's see here. Yeah, see, it's charging there. Charging your phone while you're gaming, that is going to heat up your phone. So I do not recommend charging your phone at the same time you're using it, especially when you're gaming.
If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
You know what? Take you a little 15-minute break, charge up your phone, and then, you can go back to rocking and rolling. Now, Backbone does have their own app, that companion app that goes along with the controller. They do have a premium. I believe it's like $50 a year, but you get the first year for free when you first purchase it. I was looking through it, and here on the app, and it's got a lot of cool features. You got friends that you can look up and chat with. I heard you can live stream on Twitch with the membership. But it has, it has all these different things here, little apps and whatnot. You can go into Apple Arcade. Now, as far as, going into, different gaming apps and using, remote play on your PlayStation, it doesn't charge for any of that. As a matter of fact, hold on just a second, because I was curious about what this membership includes. So exclusive perks for trial games on certain, on Xbox, Discord Nitro, direct messaging, streaming directly on Twitch, play your favorite games on iPad, Mac, or PC with your backbone. So I guess you can, get the app and, play games off it, not necessarily with the controller, I guess. Because that would be kind of funny trying to hook these up to my iPad. And access to revamped Backbone apps and Trove and new features above, as well as future ones. It'll still work, you just won't get those little extra added features. Cool that they give it to you for a year to try. Just, keep an eye on when it needs to be renewed, if you don't want it, so you don't get charged for it. Remote play, which is really cool. So, open it up, you connect your PlayStation, essentially have your PlayStation right here. You need to have the PlayStation, for one, it has to be in rest mode or on. Maybe on, I don't know, rest mode is the only way I've tried it. I always leave my stuff in rest mode. I always gotta have my Fortnite updated, because I hate waiting on updates. Although with the PlayStation 5, I just got it recently, and that thing is fast. That thing is super fast. So as you can see, it brings you up here to your navigation menu, and you can go in and you can, play Fortnite or play Horizon Frozen Forest, Horizon Breakfast of Champions. I forget what the new one is. I've played it a little bit. It's pretty cool. It also does have a 3.5 millimeter jack to where you can plug in and, get some wired earbuds if you want to listen to it that way. Although I have to admit, I haven't played Fortnite on this yet. I'm not all that good at Fortnite. It makes me wish I had the Pro Max to get that little bigger real estate. But I think I'm going to pick up the 14 Pro Max in purple. I was going to be like, this one's showing the correct buttons, but it's because I'm on PlayStation. And it also has your R2, L2, R1, L1, and the R3s work as well. That little bit of that reach. I'm not quite used to it's not too bad, I guess. Just not quite used to it. But it's the sticks. The sticks are plasticky? Not cheap, but just, I don't know. Just not enough resistance. I need a little resistance, I guess. I don't really need to. How do I exit? I don't know how to exit. Whoa. So you hit the little square button here, the little square down here, and then that'll tell you, where you can record everything. You can do a smart record, that hold and capture button to save the last 15 seconds. Wait, is that from the PlayStation? I think that's the PlayStation feature. No, they're showing the backbone. So these do retail for $99, and the iPhone not included. You just get the controller. Now $99. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you're interested. Personally though, you can buy those little extensions that connect to your PlayStation controller, and then this will sit like right on top on Amazon for like $15-20 or what have you. You don't get the backbone app features or anything like that, but you can still play on your PlayStation 5. You can remote play. It'll work on your PlayStation controller through your iPhone. You can still play the mobile apps, the Call of Duty Mobile, and still play through your PlayStation controller. But I do understand, sometimes this is an all-in-one. This is an all-in-one thing. It's not like you have, this extension you know, coming out from up here, and you know, it might be top heavy. You know, didn't think about that till just now. Boop, you know, add additional strain, which, you know, having it centered, you know, just like, you know, the Nintendo Switch or something like that, you know, having it centered on there, you know, might be a better, you know, longer experience. But, you know, for me, you know, it's nice, but, you know, I could really take it or leave it. I mean, personally, I do more gaming on my iPad. So, you know, I just take that where, you know, wherever I need to go. Yeah, the only thing that it's missing, you know, that would have been cool if they could add, you know, the back pedals, back pedal. Whoa. Anyway, and if you like tech and tech reviews and the accessories that go along with your tech, why don't you check out this video and a sub to the channel? That would be swell. Peace and love, y'all.